Don't you hate it when you forget your work ID or ticket at home? Well, these fabric lanyards are lifesavers. As kids, Jess and I used to wear them all the time at Disney World, and we never lost our park tickets or fast passes. And even though we're not going on vacations right now, we can use these fabric lanyards for our vaccination cards instead. To help you find an easy way to carry your vaccination cards and work IDs, we'll show you how to make your very own fabric lanyards. So, let's get cracking. For this kind of lanyard, the first thing you have to do is iron your fabric, because you don't want any random creases in it. Then, cut out 2 fabric strips. One will be for the top before the buckle, and the other for the bottom where the keychain ring and lobster clasp are. You can do whatever length and width that you want, just make sure you get a similar width buckle and keychain ring. With my top half, I measured out 36 inches for the length and 4 inches for the width. For the bottom half, I did 4 inches for the length and 4 inches for the width. By making the width 4 inches, I'd end up with a 1-inch width lanyard after folding. When it comes to folding, you can use an iron to help guide you. Turn the fabric over and fold it in half. Iron it so that you can see where the middle of the fabric is. Unfold it and fold the bottom and top sides to the middle crease. Iron again. Then, fold the fabric in half. Iron it one more time to help it keep its shape. This is the final width of your fabric lanyard. Using a sewing machine, sew along the open side. Make sure to leave a little gap from the edge. Doing the same, sew along the side with the crease. Wrap the fabric around your neck to make sure it isn't twisted and that it lays flat on your chest. You'll be sewing the open ends on top of each other, so it's important to double check. Slip the top end of the fabric through the top of the buckle and wrap it around. Sandwich the bottom end of the fabric in between the top end and this wraparound. Sew across these pieces twice. I sewed on a third time just in case. Take the small fabric strip from before and slip it through the top end of the other half of the buckle. Then, wrap it around the keychain ring that has the lobster clasp on it. Like before, that end of the fabric will rest over the end from the buckle. Sew across these pieces twice. Attach the buckle together, and you have your full fabric lanyard. To hold an ID or vaccination card, you can slip a card protector through the lobster clasp. This buckle definitely helps when it comes to showing movie theater attendants or restaurant hosts your vaccination card. Such a good idea, it's so handy. But I'm curious what kind of patterns you used for your custom lanyards. Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped, please give us a like. And if you're looking for more arts and crafts how-tos, or to learn something completely different, be sure to subscribe to our How-To Hub. Your next project may be right here. Well, I gotta work on some of my friends' lanyards, so I'll catch you guys later.